Dear students, welcome back. In our previous video, we studied about reasons for destruction of wildlife. Now, we'll take new topic in which we study about the remedies for preservation of wildlife. There are many reasons that in past few decades, government have taken many steps to conserve and preserve the wild animals. Some basic reasons behind the preservation of wild animals are to increase the beauty of our nature. There is economic value of wildlife. Scientific value of wildlife is to make gene pool to carry breeding programs in agriculture, animal husbandry and fishery, to maintain ecological balance and ecotourism. Here are some measures for preservation of wild animals. First, wildlife animals should be safe from losing their habitat by preventing the destruction of forests, because forest resources are very important for habitat and food for wild animals. Second, environmental balance. An equilibrium should be maintained between herbivora and carnivora animals. A census should be held at a periodic interval. The water sources in the forest should be retained and grazing should be prohibited. Third, strict ban on hunting. The outrageous acts and the hunting of animals should be prevented. Strict laws should be made and should be followed firmly. Strict punishment and fines should be implemented for defying the laws preventing illegal mining in the forests. Fourth, extra precaution during procreative period. Here procreative means breeding season. Care should be taken not to disturb the animals during the period of their procreation. This will help to increase the number of animals. Fifth, research on forest conservation. Research should be conducted to implement new technology of afforestation so that the forest cover of India could be increased. Sixth, widespread awareness programs. Programs of public awareness for wildlife conservation among the people should be organized. Seventh, Wildlife Protection Force. If the organizations working for the conservation of wild animals is inactive, the social institutions should bring pressure on them and make them active. Arrangements should be made to provide timely medical treatment to ailing wild animals. There are some other measures government is taking for preservation of wildlife. Those are planning should be so done that the animals get water, food, etc. in abundant quantity in their natural habitat. Sanctuaries, national parks and bioreserves should be developed. Various broadcasting media should be used to develop awareness about wildlife and the importance of wildlife in human nature. Postal stamp with the photographs of wildlife should be published. Dear students, let's take new topic, wildlife protection scheme. Some schemes are implemented in India to protect the wildlife. Under this scheme, some projects are started for those animal species which are in danger or which are likely to be extinct in near future. Let us know about some of these projects in brief. First of all, we'll study about the Tiger Project. As per one estimate, there were more than 40,000 tigers in India in the beginning of 20th century. Due to unrestricted illegal hunting and deforestation, there was a big danger for the existence of tigers. As tiger is India's national animal, with a view to save the tiger species, the Government of India started this Tiger Project in 1971. According to this project, a series of steps have been taken at national level to protect the natural habitat of tigers and to maintain balance of the ecosystem. Currently, there are about 44 regions where this project is implemented. India is a home to 75% of world's tiger population. Every year, 29 July is celebrated as World Tigers Day. Currently, approximately 2,967 tigers found in Indian habitat. Now let's study about the leopard. Leopard belongs to cat family. It holds smaller stature compared to lion and tiger. It found everywhere in India. It is also found in dark black color. It is found in large number in the forests of Gujarat. It often comes to human settlements. People unknowingly call it cheetah also. Approx number of leopard found in India is around 9,265. Now let's study about the cheetah. It is totally extinct from the forests in India. Today it is found in Africa in its natural habitat. In India it is found in a captive state only. Now let's study about elephant project. India is a home to 55% of Asian elephants. Elephants population found in India is approximately 27,312. The Government of India started the elephant project in 1992 in order to protect the elephants in their natural habitat and to protect their corridor routes. There are about 26 protection zones for elephants under the project in the country. There has been an increase in the number of elephants after the implementation of this project. Under the project, the maintenance work for the domesticated elephants is also carried out. Dear students, in our next video, we will continue to study about some other projects to safeguard wild animals. Thank you.